Tired of seeing that update notification and dreading the hassle? Today, we're banishing iPhone update anxiety by showing you exactly how to update your iPhone on your Windows PC or laptop, step by step. First, make sure you have the latest version of iTunes installed on your Windows PC. You can download it directly from the Microsoft Store or Apple's website if you don't already have it. Now, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Once connected, you should see a small iPhone icon appear in the top left corner of the iTunes window. Click on it. In the left sidebar, under Settings, click on the Summary tab. This will bring up a page with all the information about your iPhone. Look for the Check for Update button in the main iTunes window and click on it. iTunes will now check if a new iOS version is available for your iPhone. If an update is available, a window will pop up informing you about the new iOS version. Click on the Download and Update button to begin the process. iTunes will now download the update and then begin installing it on your iPhone. This process can take some time, so be patient and make sure your iPhone remains connected to your computer. During the update, your iPhone will restart and you'll see the Apple logo with a progress bar on the screen. Do not disconnect your iPhone during this process. It is extremely important. Once the update is complete, your iPhone will restart and you should see a welcome screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your iPhone with the new iOS version. If you encounter any errors during the update, try restarting both your iPhone and your computer, or ensuring you have enough free storage space on your iPhone. For further troubleshooting, visit Apple's support website for specific error codes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your iPhone using your Windows PC or laptop. Enjoy the latest features and improvements iOS has to offer.